Corsair iQ4 is fully compatible with the Corsair K100 RGB gaming keyboard, allowing you to take advantage of its iQ control wheel for easy access to intuitive controls over your media and applications. The iQ control wheel features a large center wheel key to cycle between different control modes, indicated by different colors that will briefly display on both the wheel and wheel key, and execute different actions by rotating the wheel left or right. You can also use the iQ control wheel to record macros on the fly. Press the wheel key until you've selected macro recording mode. Hold the wheel key until the macro indicator starts to blink. Press the G key on your K100 that you wish to program, then enter the combination of keys that you wish to record. Once you're done, press the G key again to save the macro. In iQ, mouse over the tile for your K100 RGB and click on Dial Control. At the bottom of the iQ window, enable or disable dial modes by using the toggles. Each mode is assigned a color that will briefly display on the iQ control wheel as you cycle through them. When you select a mode, you can change basic settings for that mode, such as the dial color. To create a custom mode, click the plus button, name it, and select custom hardware actions to be executed when rotating the wheel left or right. If you haven't created any hardware actions, go to Hardware Key Assignments and click the plus button to add a new hardware action and customize it. Once you've created your hardware actions, go back to your custom wheel mode in the Dial Control tab and assign those actions to left or right wheel rotation. Custom iQ control wheel modes can be saved to onboard profiles. To save an onboard profile to the K100, go to Device Settings. Select an open slot or a slot that you wish to overwrite and follow the prompts. Once you've successfully saved an onboard profile, you'll be able to access your iQ control wheel modes, as well as any other hardware key assignments or lighting for this profile when iQ isn't running. And that's it. For more information about the Corsair K100 RGB gaming keyboard, check out corsair.com/K100. And for more information about Corsair iQ, check out corsair.com/iQ.